to create layers using your AutoCAD mobile app. So first, let's just create a new drawing and then we're gonna title it by layers. And then we're gonna go to the setting of layers using this kind of icon that you can see in your screen. And then let's just add new layer and let's type visible line as the name of our new layer. And let's change it in color red. And then select create. Then add new layer for layer of dimension. It's color green. And then select create. And then let's just the visible line set current. Make it sure that it's checked. Set current. And then we're gonna make our object for the first object that we have for the application of layers. And then just make sure that your polar tracking is on for the accuracy of your drawing. And then for the line weight of our layer or for our drawing, it's automatically the layer for line weight, it's not available. That's why we're gonna make this one for the application of the line weight. So we're gonna have 0.40. We're going to select the object and then go to properties and then select the 0.40 as your line weight for your object.